Go walking to Mama. Hi, Luca.
Hi,
Yeah, you can see it when we get to the couch. Good job walking to Mama. You're holding Teddy Bear.
Okay,
Teddy Bear might fall. It's okay. Can you walk to the couch? Yay, Luca! Good. Can you show me how you can stand up? Can you stand up? Yes. Stand up and walk to Mommy. Good one. Up on your feet. There you go. And you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's it go?
Ready, set, go.
I'm walking.
Yeah, good walking.
I'm walking.
Okay, walk to your room. Boom. Good fall. Okay.
I see.